Hey everyone, welcome back to Ryan's Tech Guide. My name is Ryan and I'm here to help you with your tech. So today we're going to be talking about Windows updates. And in this video I'm going to go over why Windows updates are important. I'm going to show you various sections of the Windows updates. We're going to talk about what kind of option change, what kind of other things you need to talk about Windows. Also, I'm going to show you how to do a Windows update if this computer will let me. So with that, let's get right into the video. So in order to find Windows updates on a Windows 11 machine, you go down here to the Start button, click on Settings, and there's two places. There's one here on the left side, down at the bottom, and over here on the right at the top. Either way works. You click on Windows Updates, and this is what it looks like. So in order to check for updates, just click here on this button here. And while it's checking for updates, I can show you a few other ones. Now, there is other sections like pause updates, which I don't recommend you do. It's not worth doing. You always let them complete. This also is update history, and inside update history, it shows you the various updates that have been done and the state they are in. Now, most of them will go in successfully. Others will go in not successfully. They'll either have an error in them, they didn't download properly. Sometimes they will actually cause grief for your system. But we'll go into that in a few minutes. So these are the various things. You have drivers, you have the Windows Defender, which is your antivirus that's built into Windows 11 and Windows 10. It does other updates as well. Down below here, you also have uninstall updates. So when that happens, if you have an update that fails or doesn't work properly, you can actually uninstall the update and then re-download it again and try to get it properly, or try to get it to work. So that's what will be for this. There's also recovery options. You can click here. It says fix my problem without resetting your PC. Sometimes this works. I haven't really used this that much. If you have to, you can do that. You can also restart the machine. You can also even reset this PC, but again, that's more detailed kind of work to do. I don't know if you've never really done this before. I don't recommend doing that right away. Find your support person. Go back to update. If it shows the green check mark, says you're up to date, of course. Down in this area, called it in the advanced options. Now this is a little more detailed, but you can do this. They have receive other products. So like for instance, Office. Office gets updates as well. If you have it installed on your machine, I highly recommend you turn that on so you get those updates. Sometimes you also have here download meter connections, get me up to date. It says here pretty much what it does. This one here is one that I would recommend you can look into. If you have a set time when your Windows machine is running and you want to do your updates, say in off hours, you can actually set the time inside here to either do automatically, or you can even do a manual time you want to do it. So it might be worth doing. And of course there's other things here like recovery options, restart the apps. These are all other little options you can get into. I'm not going to dive in too much because most people, my biggest thing is doing the updates itself. Just check for the updates. If it has any, you click download now. And then if it doesn't install it automatically, just click install now. So you may have to keep an eye on this a little bit while you do the update, but it's worth doing. Windows updates are usually done on a mass scale once a month, usually on a Tuesday. Usually it's either the second or third Tuesday, I'm not sure. They call it Patch Tuesday. So basically they'll send down a boatload or one cumulative update as it's called, and that will allow it to happen. And then you just run that through, or it'll do it automatically. So that's Windows updates in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Again, very vital to do. Always keep an eye on this. I suggest once a week, check it out, see if this helps, see if you can do this yourself, or just check to make sure it's done. If you enjoyed my content, enjoyed what this was, please hit the like or subscribe button. If you want to find out more content, hit the notification bell to the right. And with that, thanks very much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.